Hello and welcome to one more episode with me, Samer. So this is a really quick one. And today I wanted to show you what I stumbled upon myself looking in GitHub, which is possibly the easiest way to run the real-time API by OpenAI. So I hope you enjoy it. Do not forget to subscribe, write a comment in the comment section. And with that, let's jump straight in.
Subscribe to Daddy's channel. The mic.
Okay, so I was scrolling across the OpenAI profile on GitHub and I found a couple of interesting repositories. So let's go to repositories and I'll show you those. Okay, here, if we scroll down, we're gonna find two of them that address the real-time API. So one of them is the OpenAI Real-Time API Beta, and the other one is the OpenAI Real-Time Console. Now, when I found those, I started working with the OpenAI Real-Time API Beta. I clicked that. So if you read through it, it will give you all the details around this beta API, the real-time, and how to work with it. Now it's complex, like let's put it that way. I worked with Claude, I worked with OM Preview. I couldn't figure out on Replit or anywhere building this for myself. My previous videos were based off what Twilio had and OpenAI as a partnership and what they built, and I just forked that and worked with it. Doing it from scratch, even with AI, I couldn't figure it out. But the interesting thing that I found also is this, what they wrote here in this repository. The easiest way to get playing with the API right away is to use the real-time console. And again, this takes us to the other repository. So if we click at it, we go to this repository that I just mentioned. And I forked this one on Replit and I ran it, and it definitely is the easiest way to run the real-time API on your machine or on something like Replit. So let's go to Replit, and this is the forked version of that code. Once you fork it, the only thing you need to do is hit run. Even the OpenAI API key is something that will be asked in the web view. Now, in many cases, people don't recommend to put an API key in the HTTP version of the web view. We'll do it because this is done by OpenAI, so some trust is there. But if you're skeptical, but you still want to play with it, run it, add your key, delete your key after you test it. So let me show you live how this works. So once we hit run, so now the script start. So it's starting the development server. It compiled successfully. And you can see here, it's asking for my API key. So I will paste my API key here and I will hit OK. So now it should be working, and you can do it in a manual way where you click a button, you basically send your voice message and then get the response, or select this VAD method, which I think is just automatic flow of HTTP channel with the API, so it can go back and forth, similar to what you would have on your mobile. Okay, so with this, we can just hit connect here. And once we give it access to the microphone, so we can say around this time,
hello, how can I help you today?
Hey, can you give me some information around OpenAI?
OpenAI is an artificial intelligence research lab and the organization behind powerful AI models.
And you can, it behaves like the even mobile one, so I can cut it through and ask it something else. Tell me something around New York as a city.
New York City is one of the most iconic cities in the world, known for its bustling Times Square, Central Park, and the Statue of Liberty.
But Dubai is better, isn't that?
Dubai is indeed growing rapidly. It's a major city in the United States.
So I hope I don't get any pissed New Yorkers here, but you can see it's really the easiest way to run it on your machine or your environment, even if it's Replit on the cloud. So just go to GitHub, get that repository, import it, fork it, do whatever you need to do in whichever platform or environment, and run it, paste your OpenAI API key, and then you can talk to the real-time API. I think this is really the easiest way. And I think if you want to build an easy application that goes around this API, even for fun or for testing or for showcasing something, the odds are that this console repository is the easiest way to do it. So it's just something I stumbled upon. I hope you enjoy it and use it. I'll leave the link for that repository, both repositories actually, in the description. If you like the video and if you want to be nice to me, subscribe to this channel, leave a comment in the comment section, and thank you for watching.
Subscribe to Daddy's channel. Give me the mic.